of you in third year, if you're doing your BTech and if you're in third year, you have good news, as you know already, that you can write GATE exam this year. That is a source of motivation among students, many of the students, that in third year I can write GATE exam. Many students used to prepare in third year itself, but they were having thinking that we can write this exam only after final year. So they were not that much motivated. But now because they can write exam immediately after third year also, so they are motivated. I tell you now, one perspective I tell you, many of the students are thinking, and maybe some of you must have seen my video with the organizing chairman of GATE exam, that is Professor Dipankar of IIT Bombay, in which I asked him very specifically, sir, what is the purpose of basically helping, what is the purpose of making this students write this exam in third year? He told one of the purposes, like in COVID situation, students are already under a lot of pressure, I mean, for their career and placements. So this gives them opportunity to write exam, and so that in third year they write exam, and then in final year they can focus more on campus. That is what he said actually. And many other students are also thinking that third year may exam is like a practice. We can do practice in third year, and next year also we can write, so we will have 2 years of GATE score. My point is, do not think, can you get selected, can you think of getting selected with your third year score in some course, in some IIT, ISC, NITI Bombay, triple IT? In third year, can you be certain after third year of GATE, okay, I will get selected in ISC, I will get selected in this course? And believe me, selection in these courses is far more than getting a GATE score. Many students put their 100% energy in only getting score. They should understand that getting GATE score is only 20% of the job. 80% is how to convert that GATE score into selection. And that particular process starts from third year only. Like once you get a GATE score, then you will apply in various institutes, IIT, ISCs, NITI, Bombay, etc. And then when you get call from there, they are going to ask you what is your BTech project. Let's suppose you applied for aerospace department, and then aerospace department, they are going to ask you what is your BTech project, why you want to join aerospace program, because there is MS course also, there is a direct PhD course also. So how you justify then? You cannot go back. So what my point is that from the third year itself, you can start planning for your selection. You choose the project such that, okay, sir, I want to join IEOR department of IIT Bombay. Sir, I want to join machine learning course. I want to join artificial intelligence in this particular institute. So why don't you make a project on artificial intelligence in third year, and why don't you do some courses on artificial intelligence, and why don't you get some really good score? Many of you must be having 75% CG BTech marks. Many of you must be having almost 8.3 CGPA. You have still 1 year left. You can make 8.5 CGPA. So if you get to know that if my CGPA is 8.5, I can get a direct interview call for PhD even if my GATE score is less. Don't you think you have then identified, okay, this is what I'm going to do after third year? So sir, my present CGPA is 8.3. If I make it 8.5 and my GATE score is not much, can I get interview call directly from IIT Bombay? Something like that. In which department? This department. So my point here is that from third year, make an entire strategy from third year, that this is how I'm going to do it. And when you write GATE exam in third year, you should be very clear that, okay, after this GATE score has come, you should be very confident that I'm going to get selected into this. Like NITI Bombay mein, normally general category ke liye GATE score requirement is 750 plus. And that 750 plus GATE score comes with any subject if you write, even XC subject if you write. If you write general subject like XC, general science subjects, and if you score more than 60 marks, maybe you can get 750 plus. So if you're from mechanical engineering or from civil engineering and you're writing XC in third year, where you are to study less subjects, maybe you get 760 GATE score, and then you can prepare for NITI. How? You can make a project on, let's say, supply chain management itself, and you are very sure, okay, I'll get into NITI. Similarly, if you are from food technology or agriculture and if you write XC with that subject, and if you maybe many very less of students know that a student with agriculture background and food technology can get into IIT Kanpur. One of my student who got into MTech IIT Kanpur in computer science department, he is from food technology BTech. So the moment you get into MTech in IIT Kanpur in computer science, you have got selected now because of your very high gate score. Direct, no interview, COAP, direct selection into computer science department. But you know nothing about computer science. So suppose you are in third year agriculture or food technology or somewhere else, and you managed very high gate score with some subject, which is XC subject or something like that. Then you know that I'm going to get selected in computer department. So why don't you start preparing now? Maybe there are some IITs which take provisional admission. When you will be in final year, they will ask you for provisional admission into PhD or MS courses before your final year. Now, since you have gate score, you can get into provisional admissions of direct PhD and all. So that also will be helpful to you. But then you need to identify your course. So my crux here is that if you are in third year, plan well. You should plan very well that I should write exam with this department, this particular course, so that after my third year, I'm very sure this is where I'm going to go. And this is the way you are to plan basically for your course. And maybe if you have got the gate score also, and if you are interested for some subject and you want direct PhD, you can directly mail the professor. You can directly mail the professor in IIT that, sir, I'm presently in failure, I've qualified GATE and I want to do PhD under your guidance in this field. So sir, how should I proceed forward? And the moment you get PhD call, which you are sure to get, you can again approach the professor that I have done in this particular direction. So your probability of selection increases. So be smart and make your strategy in that direction. Anything, if you need any kind of help, you can approach executive, and through that we can always discuss, and we can clarify any doubts if you have. Fine. Thank you. All the best. You have got the opportunity, but convert this opportunity into selection.